majestic Palace of Versailles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, began as hunting lodge for Louis XIII and was later rebuilt into a stately palace and royal residence by Louis XIV in the later 17th century. It was the seat of French political power and the royal court until the French Revolution compelled the royal family to relocate to Paris in 1789. Following the revolution, the palace became a museum depicting French history, especially the monarchy, and later the Napoleonic era. The palace is owned by the French government and has been managed since 1995 by the public establishment of the Palace, Museum, and National Estate of Versailles, which report to the French Ministry of Culture. Versailles Palace, Park, or Garden receive millions of visitors per year, making one of the world's most popular tourist sites. The Royal Chapel of Versailles is positioned at the south term of the north wing. The Hall of Mirrors is a lengthy gallery in the palace westernmost wing that overlooks the gardens. The hall was created between 1678 and 1681 on the location of a balcony of Louis XIII, built between the king and queen's rooms. The Apollo Fountain, which was built between 1668 and 1671, represents the sun, God, driving his chariot to illuminate the sky. The fountain is the main point of the garden and serves as transitional element between the gardens of the Petit Park and the Grand Canal. What are the most popular dishes to eat in Paris? Escargot, cheese, wine, and champagne. I hope you enjoyed my video from this magnificent Palace of Versailles in France. Thank you for watching Sarita's Adventures. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. I will be waiting for you in my next videos with more interesting places Subscribe now to stay up to date.